Welcome! Today, we're diving into how recruiters can fully optimize LinkedIn to attract top talent and streamline their hiring process. LinkedIn is more than just a digital resume. It's a powerful networking and sourcing tool. Whether you're new to recruiting or a seasoned professional, optimizing your LinkedIn presence can make a significant difference in your results. In this video, we'll walk through actionable steps, from perfecting your profile to leveraging advanced search features, all designed to help you stand out and connect with the right candidates. Let's get started on transforming your LinkedIn strategy. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile as a recruiter is crucial because it's often the first impression you make on potential candidates. A well-crafted profile builds trust and credibility, making candidates more likely to respond to your outreach. Additionally, LinkedIn's algorithm favors complete and active profiles, increasing your visibility in search results. By optimizing your profile, you not only attract more candidates, but also position yourself as a knowledgeable and approachable recruiter. This foundation is essential for building a strong talent pipeline and achieving your hiring goals. Your profile photo is the first thing candidates notice. Choose a high-quality, professional headshot with good lighting and a neutral background. Avoid group photos or distracting elements. A friendly, approachable expression can make you seem more inviting and trustworthy. Remember, your photo sets the tone for your entire profile and can influence whether someone decides to connect or respond to your message. It's a small detail, but it makes a big impact on your overall presence. Your headline is more than just your job title. It's an opportunity to showcase your expertise and value proposition. Instead of simply stating recruiter, try something like tech recruiter, connecting top talent with innovative companies. This approach highlights your specialty and what you offer. A compelling headline can help you appear in more searches and attract the right candidates. Take a moment to review your headline and make sure it reflects your unique strengths. The summary section is your chance to tell your story. Use it to explain your recruiting philosophy, the industries you specialize in, and what makes your approach unique. Write in the first person to create a personal connection. Include relevant keywords so candidates and employers can find you easily. Keep it concise, engaging, and focused on how you help both clients and candidates succeed. A strong summary can set you apart from other recruiters. Detail your work experience with clear descriptions of your roles and achievements. Highlight successful placements, industries served, and any special projects. Use bullet points for easy reading and include measurable results when possible. This not only demonstrates your expertise, but also builds credibility with potential candidates and clients. Make sure your experience section is up to date and accurately reflects your career journey. List your most relevant skills, such as talent sourcing, interviewing, or industry-specific expertise. LinkedIn allows you to add up to 50 skills, but focus on those most relevant to your recruiting niche. Encourage colleagues and candidates to endorse your skills, as endorsements increase your credibility and search ranking. Regularly update your skills to reflect your evolving expertise and stay competitive in the market. Recommendations from colleagues, clients, or candidates can greatly enhance your profile's credibility. Reach out to people you've worked with and ask for specific feedback on your recruiting abilities. In return, offer to write recommendations for others. These testimonials provide social proof and help build trust with new connections. Make it a habit to collect and display recommendations as your career progresses. A custom LinkedIn URL looks more professional and is easier to share. Edit your public profile URL to include your name or a variation that reflects your professional brand. This small change can make your profile more memorable and accessible to candidates and clients. It's a quick optimization step that adds polish to your online presence. Your LinkedIn banner is valuable visual real estate. Use it to reinforce your professional brand, showcase your company, or highlight your recruiting niche. Choose a high-quality image that aligns with your industry and personal style. A well-designed banner can make your profile stand out and leave a lasting impression on visitors. LinkedIn's featured section allows you to showcase posts, articles, or media that highlight your expertise. Add case studies, blog posts, or presentations that demonstrate your recruiting skills and industry knowledge. This section is a great way to provide evidence of your abilities and engage visitors with valuable content. Participating in LinkedIn groups related to your industry or recruiting niche can expand your network and keep you updated on trends. Engage in discussions, share insights, and connect with potential candidates. Being active in groups helps you stay visible and positions you as a thought leader in your field. Following industry, leaders, and companies keeps you informed about the latest trends and best practices. It also helps you discover new talent pools and stay ahead of the competition. Regularly engage with their content by liking, commenting, or sharing to increase your own visibility and credibility within the LinkedIn community. LinkedIn's advanced search features are powerful tools for recruiters. Use filters such as location, industry, current company, and skills to narrow down your candidate pool. Save your favorite searches and set up alerts to stay informed about new potential matches. Mastering advanced search can save you time and help you find the best candidates faster. Boolean search allows you to combine keywords with operators like and, or, and not to refine your candidate searches. For example, searching for Java and Python, not PHP, helps you find candidates with specific skill sets. Learning Boolean logic can make your searches more targeted and efficient, ensuring you connect with the right talent. LinkedIn allows you to save candidate profiles and organize them into projects or folders. Use this feature to keep track of promising candidates for current or future roles. Add notes to each profile to remember key details or follow-up actions. Staying organized helps you manage your pipeline efficiently and ensures you never lose track of top talent. When reaching out to candidates, always personalize your messages. Reference their experience, skills, or recent achievements to show you've done your homework. Personalized messages are more likely to get responses and start meaningful conversations. Avoid generic templates and focus on building genuine connections with each candidate. LinkedIn InMail is a premium feature that allows you to contact candidates outside your network. Use InMail wisely by crafting concise, relevant, and personalized messages. Highlight what makes your opportunity unique and why you think the candidate is a great fit. Track your response rates and adjust your approach based on what works best. Regularly engaging with content on LinkedIn increases your visibility and helps you build relationships. Like, comment, and share posts from candidates, clients, and industry leaders. Share your own insights or industry news to position yourself as an active and knowledgeable recruiter. Consistent engagement keeps you top of mind in your network. Use LinkedIn's job posting feature to advertise open positions. Write clear, detailed job descriptions that highlight key responsibilities and requirements. Use relevant keywords to increase visibility in search results. Monitor applications and respond promptly to interested candidates. Posting jobs on LinkedIn helps you reach a wider audience and attract qualified applicants. Your LinkedIn profile is a platform to promote your company's culture and values. Share stories, photos, or videos that showcase your workplace and team. Highlight employee achievements and company milestones. A strong employer brand attracts candidates who align with your values and are excited to join your organization. LinkedIn provides analytics on your posts, profile views, and engagement. Regularly review these metrics to understand what content resonates with your audience and which outreach strategies are most effective. Use this data to refine your approach and continuously improve your recruiting efforts. Consistency is key to building a strong LinkedIn presence. Set aside time each week to update your profile, share content, and engage with your network. Regular activity keeps your profile fresh and signals to candidates and clients that you're an active recruiter. Over time, this consistency will help you build a robust professional brand. Many candidates use LinkedIn on their mobile devices. Make sure your profile and content are mobile-friendly. Use concise language, clear formatting, and high-quality images that display well on smaller screens. Test your profile on different devices to ensure a seamless experience for all visitors. Ensure your contact information is up to date and easy to find. Include your email address, phone number, or other preferred contact methods. This makes it simple for candidates and clients to reach you directly, reducing barriers to communication and increasing your chances of connecting with top talent. If you have relevant certifications, such as HR credentials or recruiting certifications, display them on your profile. Certifications demonstrate your commitment to professional development and can set you apart from other recruiters. They also help candidates and clients feel confident in your expertise. Including volunteer work or community involvement on your profile shows a well-rounded character and commitment to giving back. It can also help you connect with candidates who share similar values. Highlighting this experience adds depth to your profile and can make you more relatable to potential connections. LinkedIn Recruiter is a premium tool designed specifically for sourcing and managing candidates. It offers advanced search filters, project management features, and analytics to streamline your recruiting process. If your organization has access, take full advantage of these tools to maximize your efficiency and results. LinkedIn regularly introduces new features and updates. Stay informed by following LinkedIn's official blog or help center. Adapting quickly to new tools and best practices ensures you remain competitive and can leverage the latest resources to enhance your recruiting efforts. Respecting candidate privacy is essential. Avoid sharing sensitive information without consent and use LinkedIn's privacy settings to control who can see your activity. Building a reputation for discretion and professionalism will encourage more candidates to trust you with their information. Some common mistakes recruiters make on LinkedIn include incomplete profiles, generic messages, and neglecting to follow up with candidates. Avoid these pitfalls by keeping your profile updated, personalizing your outreach, and maintaining regular communication. Attention to detail sets you apart and improves your success rate. A strong talent pipeline ensures you always have qualified candidates ready for new opportunities. Use LinkedIn to nurture relationships with passive candidates, even if they're not actively looking. Share relevant content, check in periodically, and keep them engaged so you can move quickly when a suitable role opens up. While templates can save time, avoid sending the same message to every candidate. Use templates as a starting point, but always personalize your outreach. Tailoring your communication shows respect for the candidate's unique background and increases your chances of a positive response. Keep an eye on what other recruiters and companies are doing on LinkedIn. Analyze their profiles, content, and engagement strategies to identify best practices and areas for improvement. Learning from competitors helps you stay innovative and refine your own approach. LinkedIn hosts virtual events, webinars, and live sessions on recruiting and industry trends. Attend these events to learn from experts, network with peers, and discover new tools or strategies. Participating in events keeps you informed and helps you build valuable connections. Video content is highly engaging and can help you stand out on LinkedIn. Share short videos introducing yourself, discussing industry trends, or highlighting job openings. Videos allow you to showcase your personality and connect with candidates on a more personal level. Highlight your commitment to diversity and inclusion on your profile and in your content. Share stories or initiatives that demonstrate your efforts to create an inclusive workplace. Candidates value recruiters who prioritize diversity and want to work with organizations that reflect these values. Use relevant keywords throughout your profile to improve your visibility in LinkedIn and Google searches. Include terms related to your recruiting, niche, industries, and skills. Optimizing for SEO ensures that candidates and clients can easily find you when searching for recruiters with your expertise. Define your objectives for using LinkedIn as a recruiter, whether it's increasing your network, filling specific roles, or building your employer brand. Having clear goals helps you measure progress and stay focused. Regularly review and adjust your goals as your recruiting needs evolve. Consider using automation tools for repetitive tasks like sending follow-up messages or scheduling posts. Automation can save you time and allow you to focus on building relationships and sourcing candidates. However, always review automated messages to ensure they remain personalized and relevant. Regularly track your progress by reviewing metrics such as connection growth, response rates, and successful placements. Use this data to identify what's working and where you can improve. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated and ensures you're moving toward your recruiting goals. Seek feedback from candidates and clients about your LinkedIn presence and communication style. Constructive feedback can help you refine your approach and better meet the needs of your audience. Being open to feedback demonstrates professionalism and a commitment to continuous improvement. Authenticity is key to building trust on LinkedIn. Be genuine in your interactions, share your real experiences, and avoid exaggerating your achievements. Candidates and clients appreciate honesty and are more likely to engage with recruiters who are authentic and transparent. The recruiting landscape is always evolving. Stay current by taking LinkedIn learning courses, reading industry blogs, or attending webinars. Continuous learning helps you stay ahead of trends and ensures you're always offering the best service to candidates and clients. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile as a recruiter is an ongoing process. By following these steps, you'll enhance your visibility, build stronger relationships, and attract top talent more effectively. Remember, consistency and authenticity are key. Regularly review your profile, stay engaged with your network, and keep learning to stay at the top of your recruiting game. Thanks for watching, and best of luck in your LinkedIn recruiting journey.